Imagine if the power to fight cancer was sitting right on your kitchen table, hidden inside everyday foods you may already love. What if the next bite you take could help your body defend itself from one of the deadliest diseases in the world? This isn't some far-off dream or expensive secret supplement. The truth is, certain natural foods have been scientifically shown to attack cancer cells, slow tumor growth, and strengthen your body's own defenses. And today, I'm going to share 10 powerful foods that do exactly that. Stay with me until the end, because the last one on this list is so surprising you probably never guessed it had anti-cancer properties. Let's dive straight in. But first, a quick reminder, this is not medical advice. These foods are meant to support your health naturally. Always check with your doctor if you have any medical conditions or are undergoing treatment. 1. Broccoli, the cruciferous cancer fighter. When it comes to fighting cancer, broccoli deserves a standing ovation. This humble green vegetable is packed with sulforaphane, a compound that researchers have found can actually target cancer cells and slow their growth. For seniors, this is especially important because as we age, our immune systems become less efficient. Studies have shown that eating cruciferous vegetables like broccoli several times a week is linked to a lower risk of cancers such as breast, prostate, and colon cancer. The best way to get these benefits: lightly steam your broccoli instead of boiling it. This helps preserve its cancer-fighting compounds. Toss it with a little olive oil, sprinkle with garlic, and you've got a side dish that could protect your health for years to come. 2. Garlic, nature's immune booster. Garlic isn't just for flavor, it's a natural weapon against cancer. Allicin, the active compound in garlic, has been shown to reduce the risk of stomach, colon, and esophageal cancer. Garlic works by strengthening your immune system, helping your body detect and destroy abnormal cells before they turn dangerous. The key to unlocking garlic's cancer-fighting powers is to crush or chop it and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This activates the allicin, ensuring you get its full health benefits. Whether you roast it whole, mix it into soups, or sauté it with your favorite vegetables, garlic deserves a permanent spot in your kitchen. 3. Berries, antioxidant powerhouses. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, take your pick. These small, colorful fruits are loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins and ellagic acid. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to cancer over time. For seniors, adding a handful of berries to your breakfast or snack is a simple yet powerful habit. Frozen berries work just as well as fresh, and you can toss them in smoothies, sprinkle them over oatmeal, or just eat them by the handful. Research shows that regular berry consumption can help slow the growth of cancer cells and even prevent new tumors from forming. 4. Turmeric, the golden cancer shield. Turmeric, the bright yellow spice used in curries, contains curcumin, a compound that has been extensively studied for its anti-cancer effects. Curcumin has been shown to reduce inflammation, a key factor in cancer development, and even blocks certain cancer-causing pathways in the body. For seniors struggling with chronic inflammation or joint pain, turmeric offers a double benefit, relieving discomfort while helping prevent cancer. To boost absorption, combine turmeric with black pepper and a healthy fat like coconut oil. Add it to soups, scrambled eggs, or warm milk for a golden latte that heals from the inside out. 5. Spinach, the leafy green protector. Spinach is rich in lutein, zeaxanthin, and other phytonutrients that protect your DNA from damage. Damaged DNA is one of the triggers for cancer formation. By eating spinach regularly, you're giving your cells a protective shield against harmful mutations. Spinach also contains folate, which helps repair DNA and supports the production of healthy red blood cells. Whether you enjoy it raw in salads, blended in smoothies, or cooked in a hearty omelet, spinach should be one of your go-to greens if you're serious about staying cancer-free. 6. Tomatoes, the lycopene lifesaver. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to a reduced risk of prostate and breast cancer. What's fascinating about lycopene is that it becomes even more potent when tomatoes are cooked. That means tomato sauce, soup, or even ketchup can deliver cancer-fighting benefits. For seniors in the United States, tomatoes are affordable, versatile, and easy to add to meals. Just drizzle some olive oil over roasted tomatoes to help your body absorb even more lycopene and boost your protection against cancer. 7. Green tea. Sip your way to health. Green tea has been used for centuries as a healing drink, but modern science confirms what traditional medicine has always known. Green tea contains catechins, compounds that inhibit cancer cell growth and even trigger cancer cell death. Replacing just one sugary beverage a day with a cup of green tea can reduce your overall cancer risk. For seniors, it's also a gentle energy boost without the jitters of coffee. Whether hot or ice, green tea is a delicious way to protect your health sip by sip. 8. Nuts. Tiny shields against cancer. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts contain healthy fats, antioxidants, and plant compounds that reduce oxidative stress in your body. Walnuts, in particular, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation and protect against breast and prostate cancer. A small handful of nuts each day is all you need. Just be sure to choose unsalted, unroasted varieties to get the full benefits without excess sodium or unhealthy oils. 9. Mushrooms, the immune system's best friend. Certain mushrooms, like shiitake, maitake, and reishi, are famous for boosting the immune system and helping your body detect and destroy cancer cells. Compounds in mushrooms stimulate immune cells to work more effectively while reducing chronic inflammation. 10. Grapes, nature's sweet medicine. Last but not least, grapes, especially red and purple varieties, contain resveratrol, a compound that protects your DNA, reduces inflammation, and may help stop cancer cells from spreading. Eating grapes whole, with the skin, is best because that's where most of the resveratrol lives. They're sweet, portable, and perfect as a snack, especially for seniors who want something healthy yet satisfying between meals. Final thoughts. These 10 foods are more than just ingredients. They're tools to help your body defend itself naturally. By adding broccoli, garlic, berries, turmeric, spinach, tomatoes, green tea, nuts, mushrooms, and grapes to your regular diet, you're giving yourself a powerful advantage against cancer. Think of your plate as your first line of defense. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body, strengthen your immune system, and live a healthier, longer life. Remember, small daily changes add up over time, so start today. Your health is in your hands, and the food you eat can truly make the difference. So which of these cancer-fighting foods are you going to add to your next meal? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to share this video with friends or family who need this information.